chasing that fucking guy. What the hell?
Why is the fire truck doing it too, though?
I don't know what you're gonna get in that lane for, guy. You're not gonna be able to do anything.
Dude, this is just...
Oh my god.
Is he gonna come around? There he is. They can't really reverse. He should just go backwards.
I know, right?
He's just doing circles around them. Look at the cop. He's just like trying to block them.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the hell? This is just a mess. Oh, there he goes. Go backwards. Oh my god, they're gonna get him.
Oh, they got him.
Ah!
They got him.
That bike.
What?
Oh my god. I'm glad we took the highway.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. I can't believe it.
Wow. That's fucking crazy.